Mail time. Yes, I am recording and getting gifts. It's that time again. Okay guys, this mail time is just extra because too many people gave me gifts the day after. I do have a schedule for mail time, and this goes off the schedule because it is extra. As of today, I do not take any requests for a shout out on YouTube. But this girl asked before any of that, so here she is. Friend her, auto her, like her art books, whatever. Well, there you go. Last shout out. That was it. And now you see why I did an extra mail time. Okay, so they were all the same. Well, that's a coincidence.